Hi, good morning everyone. It's your girl Roxy. I'm here with another video, of course. It's about 9 o'clock this morning, and I didn't just wake up, but I just dropped Cassidy off at daycare, and I'm here with Micah, and I want to film for you guys. I want to do a quick weave bob, but I'm going to be practicing my layering skills. But anyway, before I start this video, I just want to share with you guys just 3 things that I'm grateful for, and I want to just encourage you guys to acknowledge your gratitude, acknowledge the things that you're grateful for. I've been practicing that for a while now, and I just want, to just share that with you guys, to show you guys like what I've been up to. Not what I've been up to, but just some things that I practice. So I think that it's very important to, express the things that you're grateful for, because I think it manifests more things in your life to be grateful for, and it also tricks your mind into becoming happier. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start with the things that I'm grateful for. So this morning, I'm grateful for my friends that support me, my friends that hold me accountable for my actions, my friends that accept me for who I am and how I am. And I'm also grateful for motherhood, right? How about that? Yeah, I'm grateful for motherhood. I'm grateful for my kids. I know there are challenges, but there are more blessings than there are challenges. So I'm definitely grateful for that. And something small, I am grateful for, I'd say right now I'm grateful for my home, my apartment where I live, just to live somewhere, because I remember there was a point in my life where I never really had a place to call home. So I'm grateful for my home this morning, my house, my apartment, the place where I live. I'm not saying that I'm settling, but I'm saying I'm grateful for it, and I'm inviting better things and more things to be grateful for in terms of where I live. So yeah, anyways, that's it for the introduction. I'm gonna get into my quick weave. I'm gonna practice some layering. I'm gonna try to do like a wispy, like a fun springy bob look. But yeah, let's get this video started. See you. Alright, so I prepared my hair already. I just put the GPS on my hair first, and then I put on the wig cap, right? And I put some gel over it so it can dry firm. So this is my protective method that I'm using. I don't normally do the cap, but I decided to try it this time. I don't know, just to see if it works any better. I am using Empire 100% human hair. And this is in 10 inches in the color 1B. I'm probably going to fast forward through as I do the tracks down, but I'm going to be laying the tracks down starting from the bottom and working my way up. And then as I get to the top here, I'm going to go from ear to ear, ear to ear, until I reach the top and finish it off.